Next, I want to talk about washing the pads. So I purposely did not wash the pads right away. Instead, I stored them in a wet bag. And I simply wanted to test how well the bag contained the smell of the pads. And it did very well because I did not smell anything outside of that bag when it was zipped up. I washed two of the pads in the wash machine with my regular laundry. I used cold water and Gain laundry pods. I also dried them in the regular dryer. The last two pads I hand washed in the sink using cold water and bar laundry soap, and then I allowed them to air dry. In my opinion, both methods of washing resulted the same, but I'll let you be the judge of that. Here is a picture. So on the left side is the one I washed in the washing machine and dried in a dryer. On the right side is the one I hand washed and allowed to air dry.